Why do we sneeze? It's your nose saying, get this junk out, now. Dust, pollen, smoke, or even a cold breeze irritates your nose. Your brain gets the signal, and boom! You launch air at 100 miles per hour to flush it out. One sneeze can shoot out 100,000 droplets. And nope, you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Your brain literally stops you. So yeah, sneezing is your body's natural air defense. Just don't forget to cover it. How do you cover your sneezing? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.